Hey guys, it's Jessa and this is a quick tip for Canva. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices. Guys, it's Jessa here and today I've got a Canva tutorial to teach you how to create a video playing on a computer screen like this one just here. So these are really effective for showcasing digital products. You might have seen them on Facebook ads. They're just really cool because they get the customer excited because they can see the functionality. They're fantastic. So I'm going to jump into how to do it. You will need Canva and you will also need another tool which can take a video of your screen. So the one that I personally use and the one that I recommend is called Loom because there is a free version and there's also a very affordable paid version. So today I'm going to be, well, I've already created a video of this and I'm going to show you what that looks like over in Loom. I've already done it. So this is my video here. You can see I'm literally just scrolling and it's quite short. So I'm going to download that video. That has downloaded. I'm going to jump over to my blank canvas here on Canva. So this is where I'm going to be creating my screen. I'm going to upload that video that I just downloaded. Just drag and drop it straight into your uploads. That's just uploading as a video. Brilliant. And now look, it's just a video. How easy is that? So the next step is we're going to go and grab that awesome computer. Now that is default in Canva, which is great. It's under your elements panel. And if you scroll down, it's under frames. So in Canva, if you ever see this image which has like the clouds and the hills, these are all editable. And what they will do is they will crop anything that's dragged into them. So here is the computer. And I'm going to quickly show you with a photo what I mean by cropping it. So I'm going to go grab a photo. So see how that automatically crops into the screen. That is because it's an editable area with these clouds and hills. So whenever you see that, that's what that means. Now I'm going to go back to my uploads. I'm going to make sure I'm on the video section where I uploaded my video previously. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop in that video. And we're done. How easy is that? You can also resize the video if you double click on it. If you want to, for example, get rid of your tabs at the top, your sidebar. Brilliant. Now this one that I have on my landing page, it's an animated GIF. That is the format that I'm using here and it will just run on loop. You can also download a video if you're wanting to use it for Facebook ads or something like that. But to download a GIF, just the top right corner, go download and go GIF. And that will just download a file exactly like this one that you can put into a landing page or put on your website, wherever you want to. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.